Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have got Ipsy Glam Bag Plus as promised for the month of September. But if you haven't seen my original Ipsy Glam bag for the month of September, just a small one, be sure to check it out. I did upload that yesterday. Fingers crossed I got my editing and uploading done when I wanted to, but that should be correct. Alright, so if you don't know, the Glam Bag Plus is the upgrade. For $25 a month, you usually get 5 full products. I believe it's 5, don't quote me on that. Typically, it's really good. Some months I have things that I really love and things that I'm just not that interested in, but I'm excited to dive in. Now this one, I don't remember any of the spoilers if I saw any, so this one's going to be a surprise to me. I did kind of just cut it open so we could dive in really quickly, but if you are excited to see what's in this Glam Bag Plus, then just keep watching. The bright yellow foam, we have a little card. It says find your light. I don't want to dive into that. I want to see the products firsthand. So let's just pull an item out, shall we? All right, so the first thing we have is from Ciate. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Now, I actually have one of these on hand, so I am going to put this aside for my next giveaway. That will be really soon. I'm probably saying that in every video, so sorry if that is redundant as hell, but that is okay. And I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like because I don't have mine on hand right now. I don't even think that I've tried mine yet, so I'm definitely not going to dive into this, undo it or anything. We're going to stick it right back into the package. So it says blendable, lightweight, super soft, focused finish. So this will be going into my next giveaway. I do have several other things, a couple little minis. I have a brush set. I also have a Tarte face palette. So a lot of good things already, but I will put this aside for one of you guys. And that powder goes for $22. So really not a bad price at all, especially considering I think of Ciate as being, you know, a little bit more high end. So I'm excited about that. Even though I'm not keeping it for myself, it's a really nice item to get. All right, next we have the Ofra Midi palette from Madison Miller. So it's the collaboration. So cute. And I already got, ooh, I won't spoil it, but I may have gotten something from this collab in my other Ipsy bag, so you'll have to go check that out. So I don't know what's in this exactly. Oh, okay, so it looks like maybe 2 highlights and a blush. It's cute on the front, but it doesn't really have any, like, anything going on in the back to tell you anything else about it. So let's see. It says it's a 3-piece palette, all about that go-to glow. No, to go. I just can't read. Highly pigmented and a cinch to blend. This rosy combo of blush and highlighter creates a lit from within look in mere minutes. Okay, so this is $35. You can pick these up as well, and I believe you can buy them from Ipsy, and then you can also buy it from Ofra, of course. So I'm gonna give like a little 1, 2, 3 swatch of this. At first glance, these highlights look like they might be a little dark for me personally, but I think that there's a good mixture in here because this one's definitely gonna be good for me. The blush looks gorgeous. Ooh, very pigmented like that. And then this other highlight, wow, that one's actually really pretty. That darker highlight actually, like, man, it stands out. I feel like this one's great for medium to deep skin tones, but I love that there is a mixture. I'm not mad at it. I would rather that everybody be able to use it instead of having 2 highlights that work for me, because I can always use that on the eyes. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. And then maybe even when I have like some self-tan, I could probably still wear it because it's not super dark, but it's got like that nice tone that's not gonna look, you know, too gray or too icy on deeper complexions. So yay, very happy about that one. I will put that to the side for myself. All right, I have Aptos Skincare Pomegranate Mask. Okay, I have not heard of this before. So that is what the box looks like. And just with the first 2 items, we're already at $57, so more than double the cost of what you pay for the box, so that's really nice. And then this is, it says this is backed by top estheticians. Aptos removes fluff and filler to create clean skincare formulas.
It says azelaic acid, azelaic.
Anyway, it says it gently removes dead skin cells while pomegranate and green tea help calm inflammation and restore balance. This goes for $36. So let's open this up. I have never heard of this brand before. So here's what it looks like. I'm not going to undo the seal right now because I don't know if I'm going to keep this for myself. I am honestly looking at my skincare collection and going, oh my god, I need to use more stuff and stop buying. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it for myself yet, but it looks really interesting. It's got a huge ingredients list. A lot of times what I like about more natural skincare is that the ingredients list is short. I can look at it, I can read it and see everything that's in it. This has got a lot of stuff. Deionized water, I don't know what that is. Aloe. It's got a lot of good ingredients. It's got kaolin, zinc oxide, camellia, witch hazel, olive, soybean, oat. So yeah, probably a lot of good ingredients, but it is like, ooh, a laundry list. But they seem to be really more natural ingredients, so I am kind of excited to give that a try. So I'll probably keep that for myself, but I'm not 100% sure, so I don't want to unseal that yet. But okay, a skincare item, not too bad. We have something from Illamasqua. This is the Anti-Matter Lipstick. And it looks like I have the shade Solar. So the box of theirs is really, really sleek. I have used some Illamasqua in the past and I did enjoy it a lot. I don't know if I have any of their lipsticks. Maybe one I have. Oh, it looks like this one got shoved into the lid, if you can see. So it's kind of messed up. And I was kind of leaning towards not keeping this, but since it is scarred on the side too, like it rubbed up against the, I don't know. Oh, it's like barely in here. Oh, hello. Okay, I mean, that can be fixed. Quick trick with this, you can light it with a lighter a little bit, let it just melt around the edges and replace it. Didn't come in good condition for sure because it's like rammed up against the lid and fallen out. But otherwise, I mean, it's still perfectly usable. It's a pretty shade. So this is the shade Solar. It is a very gorgeous shade. Maybe I'll put a little bit on. Had a little bit of gloss on, so if this looks funky, that's why. Alright, so that's Solar from Illamasqua. I don't know how I feel about this color. Actually, I think I like it, but it's not like my all-time favorite. It's like, it can't decide if it wants to be orangey corally or if it wants to be pinky, but it's pretty cute. And the quality of their products is usually very good. So definitely not mad at that. This lipstick actually goes for $27. So that is pretty pricey for a lipstick, but they are, like I said, really good quality. So we have one more item left. This is the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, this goes for $37. Looks pretty hefty for $37, so it seems like a good price. It says it's a 15 shade palette, features metallics, mattes, and duochrome hues like distressed black, burnt orange, and snakeskin green. Ooh, those sound interesting to me. Hemp seed oil nourishes lids in a buttery soft feel and serious color payoff. It says to use them dry for subtle shading and everyday looks or wet for dramatic high impact shimmer. I'm gonna take a little look. I'm doing my best not to keep every single palette that I cross paths with or want to buy every single palette that comes out. But you know, if I have one, I will definitely take a look. It's a very interesting like look to it. It's very like avant-garde. Oh wow, I really like this. So the imprint on all of the shadows except for the one in the center is like a skull with a mohawk. Super interesting. Makes me almost not want to touch these shadows at all. This is cruelty free and vegan as well. I feel like I've heard of Nomad, but I've never personally used anything, so I think I'm gonna dive in. Let's swatch a few because I am very curious. I just hate to ruin those skulls because they are so cute. I'm gonna swatch some shades that kind of interest me personally. All right, so there's a few swatches right there on my fingers. This looks pretty interesting. Ooh. There are some swatches right there. That first one's really like icy. That would be a beautiful highlight or inner corner, highlight the brow bone. But some really interesting shades. I'm actually impressed that this doesn't look like 10 other palettes that I've seen recently, because I do feel like that's the way things have been as of late. Like I'm getting bored with the palettes that are coming out, even the bright ones too, because they keep doing the same brights. And obviously there's only so many colors in the color spectrum, but at the same time, I'm just like, it's no new combination. So when something different comes out, I'm always intrigued. So I swatched just a couple more to give you a little bit more variation. That looks beautiful. That black has a very soft little shimmer in it. You can barely see it when you actually swatch it out, but it's like a little tiny gold fleck in it. I see so many others that I'm interested in as well, but I'm going to give it a rest for now. I will have to try this on my eyes very soon, maybe tomorrow, because I am so curious how this performs on the eyes. So $37, that's not bad at all. And apparently this is a special edition Ipsy palette. So I don't know know if you're able to purchase this or maybe just Ipsy's selling it perhaps, but I'm really excited to actually put this on my eyes and see how it performs. All right, so that is it. Those are my items. I can honestly say I'm not like super thrilled with this box. I am, like I said, obviously very interested in that palette, so it's well worth the money because, you know, 25 bucks. I got a $37 palette, $22 powder. I got, what, a $36 face mask, you know, another lipstick. It's cool. I am pretty stoked about the Ofra palette. So overall, well worth the money. Some months have me a little bit more excited than this month, but I am curious to know what you guys think, so if you have opinions on what I got, let me know. And let me know if you get any of the Ipsy subscriptions. I would love to know what you guys are getting and how you're liking it. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you in my little YouTube family. I do vlogs every Monday. I do 3 to 4 videos a week. I don't have a good upload schedule, but I do vlogs on Monday. That I'm consistent about. And I do have a giveaway coming up, like I said, soon, featuring this and several other products. So be sure to hit the notification bell as well, so you can be notified when I upload that giveaway. And I hope you guys are doing amazing. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!